The blade guard of Kobalt Table Saw with Rack and Pinion, I have found that it is not so easy to mount, but I figured it out and I will try to explain how I am doing it. So this lever, it comes in like this position, which is a locked position. So to get it there in the slot, you'll have to put that lever on the unlocked position. Try to set into this slot, that bolt, kind of rest it into position, and it will kind of do a click sound when it is there, like this, and try to set it there in an angular location, and then you will be able to lock it in. And that's how you mount the blade guard of Kobalt Table Saw with Rack and Pinion.